Good afternoon, this is Joya and you are watching my YouTube channel. Right now I'm here standing in front of Parliament House. Today Parliament session is going behind this building, and right now I'm asking about the new appointment of the Chief of Defence Forces, Sayyid Asim Munir. What does the political parties think about this notification, and what are the political leaders think about this notification and this new new generation of this post? What do they think about this? I will going to share this information right now in front of this Parliament House, and the parliamentarians are coming over here for this session, and I'm asking these questions about the parliamentarian. The main question and concern is about this notification and the impact of this notification. I will just ask the impact of this notification and the information about this notification, and overall the scenario of these new generated posts about the army, the Chief of Defence Forces, Sayyid Asim Munir. And I will this information to share with you guys, and really I will get more inside information about the parliamentarian, what do they think and what their party think about this notification. Right now I'm standing here in Parliament House, and I wanted to get information about the new notification this has been circulated around. What do you think the main impact of this notification, and what the process that you are looking forward?
I think at this moment, because there are new forms of warfare, modern forms of warfare, and Pakistan has to be prepared for that modern warfare. So in every country there is this chief of defense forces. This is there. So I think we also need to be prepared for modern forms of warfare, where cyber is also one part of it, artificial intelligence and other modern equipment as well. So because we have now got to have synergy within all the forces, we need to have a coordination so that we are well prepared. All the forces are well prepared to face our enemies. So I think it was a very important and timely, and I want to congratulate all the nation for this very timely notification.
You are congratulating this notification, but in the political scenario, if we talk about the opposition, they have another stance about this one. What do you say about the opposition's stance about this notification?
I don't know what their stance is, but I do know that on social media they have been very negative and trying to portray negatively about this notification, but not only the notification but also about the armed forces. So that is very clearly going against the state and having a narrative that is going against Pakistan. So I think it's very, very sad that our own country, this is our own country, and there can be no compromise on the safety of our country. So if we are going to talk against our armed forces, that means we are talking against our own state and our own country. So it's a very sad state of affairs.
You are talking about the social media, and I am talking about the political leaders. They are sitting here in Parliament House, and they are talking about this notification, and they are about to discuss in a negative way. What do you say about these political leaders? If I openly talk about the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, the leadership, what do you say about this?
Well, PTI has had this history of talking against the state, having a narrative that goes against the state. For example, they said that IMF should not give any new tranche to Pakistan. They said that there should be civil disobedience. So all that is really not going to strengthen the state. It is an effort to destabilize the state. It is an effort to create chaos in Pakistan, on the streets of Pakistan. So that is something for the public to decide, that do they want to vote for a party which is trying to destabilize Pakistan, or do they want to vote for a party or other parties who are trying to create a stronger Pakistan in every way.
Thank you very much. Thank you. The impact of this notification, especially for the political parties, they have the two different stances. If I talk about the opposition, they have the different stance, and they have the different talking about this notification. What do you think the impact of this notification?
Yeah, first of all, I would like to congratulate the nation, especially nation, Pakistani nation, that this was the only missing link in the our defense strategy. It's a long-lasting issue. It's not just came in front of this parliament. This was long-lasting issue. Alhamdulillah, we have solved, and I congratulate the parliament. I congratulate all parties. As far as impact is concerned, it will impact on the future wars. But the world is changing on the daily basis. Every minute, every second, the world is changing. Now the war will not be like the tanks are going or something like that. All war is like the like drones and all the latest technology. AI will look at the recent example in the Israel.
Yeah.
They use the AI-based drone. There were not humans sitting in managing the and look at the war in the May. Our defense forces chief are sitting together. This was a missing link. So impact, as far as impact is concerned, it is a huge impact, and you will see the consequences. If God forbid, and if the war will happen, you will see the consequences. We will win this war.
Mr. Burgur, what do you think about the political stance about this notification? If I talk about the opposition, if I talk about the social media, the memes are just going viral about this notification. What do you think about this?
It's a very good question. Actually, this is not a political issue. If you see
some of the political leaders are just also going this.
Actually, they want to get the media attention. This is not political issue. How you can? This is totally the defense strategical decision. This was I told you. This is administrative missing link. This was the long-lasting dream of the our army, our air force, our navy. That there must be a one commander lead from the front. So this parliament is actually done this missing link, and inshallah ta'ala you will see the best results in future if the war will happen.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Right now I'm here in Parliament House. What do you think about the notification that is just circulating, and on the social media there are the thousands of the memes about this notification. What do you say about, do you congratulate Army Chief?
The notification, everybody was thinking that it was done, but it was a little bit late, so everybody was confused. So how could be late? The notification of that person who have lot of done for this, who has done a lot for this government. So why government is delaying the notification? That was the issue. But I and all people know that notification has to be done. This government can't stop this, and it's done.
What is the impact of this notification? What is the impact of this scenario overall on the Pakistani political scenario and the Pakistan?
This notification has no impact on any economical or any political. I don't think so. The scenario, the notification doesn't matter. The scenario you create economically, you create financially, when you create the jobs, these kind of things, these things create something in public. So public don't bother these kind of things.
The government thinks that this notification and this new scenario will change the war impact on the Pakistan, and if in the future there is any war against Pakistan, it will
I'm
be
not
very,
a defense analyst. I don't know these kind of things.
this will not impact on the defense forces and the defense and the army and the air force and the navy.
I don't know. But if you talk about the coordination, I don't know how the coordination was done before this, and how this is going to be done after this notification. I don't know about these kind of things.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Now I'm standing with a senior leader of PMLN, Mr. Sheikh. What do you think about the notification of Field Marshal, and what's the impact of this notification on the Pakistan's political scenario and overall on the Pakistan?
I fully appreciate and congratulate Field Marshal Assembly. I think this notification was long due, and after 29th of November. So it will unify the forces further. Already our forces are unified, and we have displayed during the last 4 days war with India. Okay. So I feel that it will further enhance our defense, and regional countries also are looking forward towards Pakistan, that they could also enhance their defense capabilities.
What do you think about the political scenario? Just like your opposition is going to against this notification, and their stance is something different about the notification and the, for example, for the Asim Munir. What do you think about the opposition's stance?
You see, I don't feel that opposition is always with the armed forces, and I don't feel they particular have any objection. In my opinion, they should not have any objection, because this is the unification of our own forces, defense forces, and opposition have been openly in the parliament. They have been advocating in support of the armed forces.
Thank
so
you.
it is nothing I feel negative against this notification with the opposition.
Thank you very much, Sheikh sir. Thank you. Right now, I'm here in Parliament House, and I wanted to know about the notification impact. What do you think about this impact? And on the social media, there are many rumors, and the things are going viral against this notification. What do you think, and what do you want to give the answer about this?
Look, this notification is issued. All the rumors have been died down, and this notification only took 4 or 5 days due to the procedural issue, because a new post had been created, and that post also requires some rules, regulations or other formalities. So government was, army and government was busy to devise the parameters and rules, and there was no ambiguity in it, because it was approved by the 2/3 majority of both the houses, and government and field marshal and army, they are on one page. This notification will give more continuity of the policies. This notification will give more rise to our economy, our country, our defense, our army, our society. How, you will ask? Because Army Chief Field Marshal Asim Munir is a very capable person, and he has proved it just few months back on 9th May. And our Prime Minister and our Field Marshal both are working in gloves with each other, and they will also work for our economy, our poor people, our country. And you know, today the main thing is the economy of the country, to bring our masses economically viable and provide them education, provide them basic rights. So my this is my resolve, and this is my what you can say. I am 100% sure that if they will work jointly this and make the policies implement which they have made and which they are making, and the agreements which they have signed with the international countries and organizations, they will, if they will implement in real letter and spirit, this country will prosper under their leadership.
What do you want to give the answer about the social media negative propaganda about this notification and this scenario? What do you think?
I think it's a democratic country. There are few parties which are not in the government, and they think that General Asim Munir or this army hierarchy is not supporting them or against them. So maybe they are those people, and in the garb of this political opponent, India, Afghanistan and other countries are also spreading this social media campaign against this positive step which has been taken in the country.
Thank you very much. Viewers, I have shared the information. I have shared the question that I have asked from the parliamentarians. Their response about the notification of the new defense chief of defense forces and what they think I have shared with you. And now I have started the YouTube channel in English vlogs to share the impacts and share the stories from Pakistan, especially from the parliament and the political scenario with you guys. That I have shared the information right now from the Parliament House. What's your response and what's your comments about this vlog? Please let me share your information, your response about this vlog, and just give me your comments on this vlog. And stay tuned for my YouTube channel to get the more information and details. And thank you very much for seeing and for staying with me.